What's going on, everybody? Alex Escobar here with another unboxing. I'm excited about this one, I'm not gonna lie. Let's zoom in a little bit, hold on. So what we have here is the DJI mic receiver. This works for mobile. It also works for cameras like the Action 3, the Action 5, the Action 2, and the Action 4. But we have another player in the game, and it should work 100% fine with this. But we'll talk about that at a later video. In the meantime, let's get into this. The DJI mic receiver. I ordered this back in December or November, something like that. I didn't get it until like the ending of December. It took a very long time. Came straight out of China. To be honest with you, I don't even know if it's in here. I haven't even opened it. We're like midway through January 2026. So you're gonna see, just like I'm gonna see, if this is even in here, legit. So let's unbox. Let's unbox the box. Okay. What's in the box? The receiver, some paperwork. What else? That's it. That's it. So you got the receiver, and some paperwork with a QR code. Set that to the side. You're probably like, why do you need this? I need it. Well, let me give you some history. So I ordered this back when I had the Extra Muse, which is the DJI Pocket, which we're shooting on now. It's the clone of the DJI Pocket. So yeah, we had the Extra Muse, and it didn't have any mic capabilities. And I seen this trending when it first came out. I could just never get my hands on it. The original price on this was like $14, $15 through the DJI, but then, you know, they got banned. So the only way you could get this is through a third party, which I still got a great deal on it. I bought it from AliExpress for like $24, $25, I think it was. But nonetheless, it never came in on time. I had found a sweet deal in the Pocket 3, so I ended up sending them Extra Muse back. And I didn't cancel the order on this, and I said, you know, I'll just wait until it comes in and we'll try it on different products. At the time, I was thinking, you know, I could probably just try it on the Action 2, where you can't add any wireless mic to it, and the Action 3, where you can't add any wireless mic to it because it didn't have that radio system in it at the time. What's dope about this receiver, enough about the other stuff, but what's dope about this receiver is I have the mic minis here, right? See that? Mic minis. I'm also talking on the mic 2 as we're using right now to record this. And in the future, we're going to get the mic 3. But in order for me to use any of these microphones on products that don't have the DJI tech in it, you will have to get the receiver that goes with that microphone. This changes all that. This $15 adapter changes all that. So the mic 2, the mini, and the mic 3 will all work using just this little dongle here, which is so sick. I'm just mad that DJI didn't distribute this as like a main product. When it released, they just threw it out there, and yeah, basically good luck trying to find it. So anyway, we got our hands on it. It's pretty small, and it's light. It's not like crazy, but let's do some size comparisons, because a lot of people are like, why don't you just buy a mic system that's cheap, that has a wireless route? I mean, like cool, you can get something like this. Let's see the size comparison. It's bigger than the DJI. Super bigger than the DJI. But this is like a bullshit, like, you know what I mean? $20 setup. It works. But you're not gonna get the quality that you get out of a DJI. You're not gonna get that from here. So what's good about this? You're probably asking why you need it. If you have an Action 2 sitting around, you still wanna hit it up with a mic. You just plug that sucker up on the side. You're good to go, and it just works. You know what I'm saying? You can flip it around, and it just works, bro. That's it. In and out, like a hit. And now this becomes a capable DJI mic mini setup, and it still keeps that same little small form factor. You know what I'm saying? Chilling. But like I said, the main reason why we're gonna even bother using this is for this guy. So if you care to see how this works with this, stay close to the channel, stay subscribed, because we're gonna do some things with this. You're probably asking, what is this? This is called the Extra Edge. You're probably asking, what is it? What is it supposed to be compared to? This guy, the Action 4. But that's for a video for another day. That's the unboxing. We're gonna do a comprehensive review on this and see how it holds up. So yeah, if you want to see or know more about this product, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you. All right, peace.